The Flash Fill, a powerful Excel tool you must know. If you have a lot of data and you want to separate or split the data from one Excel cell into multiple columns, then you must know this Excel tool called Flash Fill. Let's explore this powerful Excel tool called the Flash Fill. Here, we're going to be leveraging some of Excel's pattern sensing technologies in order to manipulate our data. You can download the Excel file that I'm using in this video from description link and practice with me. Now let's take a look at our data. In column A, we have a list of our English and Australian cricket players, their first names, last names, and their runs. In column B, we have their first and last names combined, and let's say we want to break this out into multiple columns. This is where Flash Fill can be handy. Now, in order to activate Flash Fill, we first need to demonstrate in Excel what pattern we want it to follow. So the first thing we're going to do is click into cell B3 and type our first name here, Joss, followed by our last name, Butler. And then for our runs, we're going to type 78. And now we have one iteration of the pattern that we want Excel to follow with Flash Fill, and this is where we can go in and engage the tool. Now there are two different ways to activate the Flash Fill tool. One way is if you navigate to the data ribbon and then you click in the data tools segment on the Flash Fill button, that will go ahead and follow the pattern and Flash Fill in those first names. Now the second option to do this would be leveraging the shortcut for it. So we are going to navigate into cell C4 over here and type Ctrl+E on the keyboard to leverage that shortcut. And here for our runs, you can have user preference here whether you would like to navigate to the data ribbon and click on the Flash Fill button in the data tools segment. Or here we are going to go ahead and leverage the Ctrl+E shortcut, and that will go ahead and Flash Fill all of our cells. Now a great use case for this would be if you had your first and last names in one column, similar to what we have with column here, and you wanted to break those out into first and last name columns. That is a great use case for this tool. You can also use this if you have CSV files and you are looking to follow along the pattern and break out your comma-separated values file into multiple columns.